chainsaw time. Me and my big mouth, I volunteered to cut down this tree or trim this bush in the front yard, knowing that we could have just gotten somebody to do it. In any case, time to go to work. This is a really big bush. It's gotta go because there's a house back there that needs to be seen. Stay tuned. It's like I gotta get ready for this. Woo! Here we go. Put my gloves on and get started. This is freaking crazy. This thing is huge. I'm gonna have to like push down and go cut it way down in there some kind of way because there's like a jungle in here. Son of a gun. All right, I gotta get down in there, way in there some kind of way. I'm gonna push this. I guess I'll push this down and then just kind of step in there. Wow. So I got in there. So I've worked my way in. And now I'm going to try to get all the underneath stuff first. But I think this thing just needs to go. Or chopped down. Because it hides the house completely. Ridiculous. I mean, it covers the entire front yard. You can't see the house. Alright. I'm going to get further in there with my little trusty little Makita. Oh, okay. So far, so good. It's a lot of tree, a lot of bush. There's no real good way to do this thing. You gotta trim it all. It's like an elephant. One bite at a time. Check it out. So we got a lot. Let's see. Yeah. It's coming. Probably do a little bit today, a little bit this weekend, because that's a lot of cutting. Look at that pile. Perspective. Trash can pile. A lot of cutting. Yeah, the neighbor had a tree he was pretty proud of. He told me about how this one used to rival his tree over there. But honestly, for a rental property or flip or whatever, that's just too much work. This thing's got to go because it's just gone out of control and there's no way to trim it and make it look good. It's just got to be gone. So, back to the Makita. Oh, I gotta get some more cutting to get more of this stuff out. Let's get in there. We can see it's getting open. Thing is that these are all individual trees and they form one big bush or consolidated bush or whatever you want to call it. Makes it real difficult to do anything with. So what do? We just cut it around at the bottom like that and reveal the house. Still got a lot to go, and it's a little pain in the behind, but 'tis what it is. More cutting until I get this whole bottom section cut to where I can see around the base of the tree. That's my goal. Of course, it's a big base. Or I should call this the bush, the union of the bush. Because tree consolidated. Super bush. Pain in my behind. Alright. Back to work. Whew. Let's see. I'm gonna cut right through here. See if I can take a shortcut so I can pull all this out. Whew. Here we go. Dang it. Oh. Chain came off. Gotta fix it. Alright. Got it reassembled in no time flat. We're ready to go again. Whew. Alright. Back to the bush. Almost able to see around it. Almost there. Let's do it. Got a little bit to cut there. Let's do it. There we go. Oh. All right. All right. Being able to see around it now. It's getting there. A little bit right here. Yeah, it's getting there. All right. Okay, here we go. Day one. It's in the books. This tree is a biatch. But you can see around it now. Got a lot of stuff piled up on the street. A lot of stuff piled up here. But it's done. Lock the door. End of the day. Okay, good. Locked up. And we're good. Hope you enjoyed the videos.